Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play daily Euro 2024 challenge. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused so I can challenge the event. I can complete the quest so I can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap on challenge mode. This is the banner. As you can see, the Euro 2024 is begin, and also there is new feature here. This is the daily challenge. You can tap it. So you have to fulfill this condition, line up minimum 65 OVR so you can enter the challenge. You can tap it. So there are total 3 steps that you have to challenge. The first step is skill game in the quarterfinal. Second step, skill games in the semifinals. If you win the quarterfinal, you will promote in the semifinals, and also if you win the semifinals, you will promote into the finals. So the final match will be different. This is the head-to-head game. The reward is content and 80 plus OVR mixed version player. The OVR between 80 and 99 OVR players. So good luck, challenge yourself in this Euro 2024 daily challenge because of there is quest. You can tap on the quest that you need to fulfill here. The challenge master. You have to play 15 Euro challenge to get the top reward in Euro quest. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. Enjoy the game.